In a thermodynamic system, W represent work done by the system. W represent what? Work done by the system, and delta U is the increase in internal energy. Delta U represent what? Increase in internal energy. Then which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? Now we know that according to first law of thermodynamics, according to first law of thermodynamics, what is first law of thermodynamics? Delta Q is equal to, what is that equation? Delta Q is equal to delta U plus W. Delta U plus W, where delta Q means heat supplied, delta U change in internal energy, and W is work done. W represent what? Work done. Now see here, in an isothermal process, in isothermal process we know that temperature T remains constant. Temperature T, it remains what? Constant. For what? For isothermal process. So for isothermal process, temperature T remains constant. It means what is the delta T? That is change in temperature. Change in temperature is 0. And a change in internal energy, which is NCV into delta T, as delta T is equal to 0, means change in internal energy for isothermal process is 0. Change in internal energy for isothermal process is equal to what? 0. So see here, out of 4 options, in an isothermal process, delta U equal to minus of W. This is wrong, because delta U, that is change in internal energy, is 0. Again, in an isothermal process, delta U is equal to W, because delta U must be 0 for isothermal process. Means statement A and C, they are wrong for isothermal process. Now for adiabatic process, we know for adiabatic process there is no exchange of heat energy between system and that of surrounding. For adiabatic process, there is no exchange of heat energy between system and surrounding. It means the delta Q equal to 0. So put delta Q equal to 0 in the first law of thermodynamics. Therefore 0 is equal to delta U plus W, or delta U is equal to minus of W, that is work done. So for adiabatic process, delta U, it must be equal to what? Minus of omega. So for adiabatic process, delta U equal to omega. So this option B is wrong. But look at option D. In an adiabatic process, change in internal energy is equal to negative of work done. This is the true statement. So out of 4 options, option D is the correct option for this question. Option D is the correct option for this question.